What are we doing today? Play-Doh mold. So because it's close to Halloween, I am going to make a scary ghost Play-Doh mold. So I'm going to make a head, and I'm going to drag it on over, and I'm going to push it down just a little bit. I'm going to remember that it's 5 millimeters high. You see that right there? And then I'll come in and let's make another one. Just like this, and I'm going to make the little ghost body. Oh, this thing is going to turn out so good. Now, I'm remembering that it's 5 millimeters high, so I make sure that's 5. Now, this is my ghost kind of, body shape. I want to put some, little things on his back, so I'm going to make this 5, or down below him. I'm going to rotate this. So it's 90 degrees. There we are. I'll put this down here. Ooh, that's going to look cool. And then I'll copy this with a Control-C or Command-C. Ooh, awesome. I'll squish this in. Very cool. Now, I could have some arms, couldn't I? Maybe I'll take, let's delete that, and I'll take this guy and copy and paste him and make a little bit of an arm. Something like this. There we go. Ooh. And let's copy and paste him over this way. See how much time copying and pasting saves? It saves a ton. Alright, so I'm going to group all this, and I'm going to do something pretty interesting with it. Because this is going to be a mold. Ooh, look at that thing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's sticking up. I don't want that. Alright, let's come and grab these and... Oh, there we are. Let's group just those. We're going to push these down. We always want to make sure that stuff is all the way touching. There we are. Perfect. So, as I was saying, I'm going to group all this together. Now, because I want this little guy to pop out from a Play-Doh mold, watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take and make a big old thing like this. And then I'm going to drag him over. Uh-oh, maybe I got to make this bigger. And I'm going to cut him out from this thing. I'm going to cut him out from it. Now, I don't want to cut a complete hole through it. I just want to cut enough to where when I press him on the Play-Doh, he'll pop out. So look, I'm going to turn this into a hole. I'm going to group all this and then group. And now, look at that. I've got this cool little thing that I can push down. Now, I can make awesome eyes now. So watch, I'm going to take this guy, I'm going to rotate it. There we are. Now, if sometimes when you're rotating like this. Whoa, come back here. Uh-oh, it's saving. So when it saves, sometimes stuff goes away. Uh-oh. I think I hit Control-Z. So I'm going to select it again, and I'm going to hit Group. There we are. I'm going to drag this over. So as I was saying, when I want to rotate this thing, I'm going to hold Shift, and that way it pops when I do it. And I'm going to rotate it again. Pop, pop, pop. And now I've got myself an evil eye. Oh, cool. Awesome. I'll make 2 of them. Whoa! Don't want it to be wide. I just want it to come over. Let's make sure this comes up a little bit. Perfect. Copy and paste it and move it on over. Now, should I give him a mouth? Yeah, let's give him a mouth. That's a big mouth. I don't know. Maybe I'll do yeah, sure, I'll do a mouth. Alright, there's my ghost. And I'll have the mouth going a little bit more. And now, I have an awesome little ghost indentation. I'm going to move it right here, and I'll group it all together. Perfect. That's what I want to print out. And you know what? I'll squish it down just a little bit because that'll print a little quicker. There we go. There is my ghost Play-Doh mold. So this should work. I should be able to squish this thing down and have it work. All right, you guys. So that's what we're doing today. We're making a Play-Doh mold. Now, it's okay if you didn't understand this all at once. That's what your UCode teacher's for. So you can ask the UCode teacher or just rewind the YouTube video and watch it again. This thing is going to be so cool. All right, you guys. Good luck and happy 3D printing.